Hi everyone, and welcome back to your Phonics for Adult Level 3, Lesson 7, Reading. It is the last lesson in our Level 3 part. Next video will be for Level 4, which is awesome. I am so proud of you. You are all doing amazing. So let's get started with our last lesson, and then we can move up. We can level up. Are you ready? I'm excited for you. I have my paper here, and the pictures will be here with the sentences. Remember, we're doing the long U vowel. Here we go. All right, so number one. The dune. Remember, the mouth. Dune is very big. The dune is very big. Yeah, it is. It's big. The dune is very big. Very. The dune is very big. Great. Number 2. Oh, sugar. The cubes. The cubes are in the mug. Sugar. The cubes are in the mug. The sugar cubes are in the mug. The cubes. Great. Number 3. Awesome. Aw, cute. There are two two mules. There are 2 mules at the gate. One more time. There are 2 mules at the gate. You see that? Mules. Like that. Mule. Just 1. 2. Mules. Over here. So slide. Okay? Mules. Cool, right? It's like a skateboard trick. There are 2 mules at the gate. Great. Number 4. Oh, it's cute. The cute pup. The cute pup is on the rug. The cute pup is on the rug. Yeah. The cute pup is on the rug. Great. Number 5. That is really cool, right? Very cool. I hope. Remember? E and O? Just the O. I hope my new home is a dome. It's all long O. Review. I got you. I hope my new home is a dome. Review. Good. Now, it's time for the story. I love that. That's fun. Here we go. The cute girl has a toy. The cute girl has a toy. But the toy is mute. Oh, but the toy is mute. She hopes to sing a tune. She hopes to sing a tune. One day, she sings. She sings her tune. One day, she sings her tune. Wow! Her hope came true. Wow! Her hope came true. She is a singer. She is a singer. I am so proud of you. You are all doing amazing. You have learned phonics level 1, 2, and 3 very fast. And I know that you can do level 4 and level 5 just as fast, maybe faster. I will see you for level 4 next time. Great job. Have some ice cream. Goodbye.